The national capital is in the grip of a relentless cold wave, as predicted by the India Meteorological Department or IMD. Delhiites woke up to another chilly morning on Wednesday, that is on January 10th. The temperature in Delhi plummeted to around 6 degrees Celsius on Wednesday, with the cold wave conditions extending across Noida, Greater Noida, Gurugram and Ghaziabad. The maximum temperature at Safdarjung witnessed a significant drop, down by 4 degrees from the previous day. The IMD has issued a yellow alert for cold day conditions in parts of Delhi as well as in other regions including Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Uttar Pradesh. Dense fog is expected in several areas with cold day to severe cold day conditions in certain places. Additionally, there is a possibility of thunderstorms, lightning and hail at isolated places in East Rajasthan. The Weather Office has further predicted a fresh spell of rain with thunderstorms or hailstorms in North India and Central India from January 8th to 10th. As temperatures continue to plummet, people in Uttar Pradesh are seeking warmth around bonfires, while in the national capital, homeless individuals are finding refuge in government-run night shelters. According to the IMD, Delhi experienced its coldest day this winter on Tuesday, with the minimum temperature dropping to 5.3 degrees Celsius. Neighbouring Uttar Pradesh recorded even colder temperatures, with Kanpur and Agra dropping below freezing point. In an effort to provide relief, night shelters in Delhi are offering blankets, beds, hot water and food to those without a place to go in the biting cold. Meanwhile, the overall air quality index in the Delhi NCR region remains in the very poor category, as reported by the System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research or SAFR. The Weather Office indicates that the maximum temperature will hover around 17 to 19 degrees Celsius, with the minimum temperature expected to remain between 8 to 9 degrees Celsius throughout the week. As the cold wave persists, residents are advised to take necessary precautions, stay warm and be cautious of the prevailing weather conditions. One India will keep you updated on any further developments. Stay tuned.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.